Hello everyone, I am Bhargavi from DexPatent. Good to see you again. I am going to give you an overview about patents. If you want to know more about IPR, click on the link in the description. So, what is a patent? Patent is a legal right which is given for a person or a group of persons for protecting their invention. So, what is an invention? An invention is nothing but an outcome of an intellectual activity, that is, any technological advancement in the field of science and engineering. Invention can be a new or improved machine or product or alternate means of achieving a process or composition of matter. You may wonder, why should I protect my invention? What will happen if I simply just invent and do not protect my invention? Just imagine a situation where you have an invention and you have not patented your invention. At the same time, another person receives patent for an invention which is similar to your invention and it is brought to market. This is actually where the patents get their role to play. Now, in this case, even though you were the first person to invent, you can neither approach the court for suing the person nor prove that you were the first person to invent. This is because you do not own a patent. So, it is important for an inventor to receive patent for his invention. Now, you have received a patent. You may think it belongs to you till the end of your life. But is that true? No. Then, how long is a patent valid? The lifetime of a patent is only for a certain time period. Once the time period expires, your patent becomes free to be used by general public without paying any fees for it. The lifetime of a patent is generally 20 years from the date on which your patent application was filed. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. See you again in the next video. Bye.